Lambo run quicker.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking up, cooking the hot pot, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up over the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, quick the trigger. All of the gang and they come and get gang.
All right, so since this happened, any advice whatsoever for anybody that's looking into nitrous?
Do your own research. Don't be scared. I personally still love nitrous. That's why I did the nitrous. Don't be scared of it. Do your background check on the shop. Do your background check on the tuner. You want to do that with any part of the build. As far as the nitrous alone, like, just don't be scared of it because of this situation. The fire only came because this fuel rail right here, the crossover fuel line, when the intake blew up, it pulled this fuel line off. You can turbo a car, you can supercharge a car, you can send rods and pistons through the motor as well. So do all your own research, learn how to use the nitrous, learn your car. That's all I ever did. I learned how to launch my car, I learned how to do all that. Pay attention, get your routine set, how you race the car, and just race it and don't be scared to spray it. I'm still gonna be on a wide open throttle and I'm still gonna use nitrous. So all shops have the freak accidents and the horror stories too, so pointing fingers at shops and don't do that to these shops. These shops they work on our cars, they take the money, they have the knowledge. Any shop, you know, it can happen. You know, as long as the shop doesn't give you the middle finger and tell you to get out, still work with them. My loyalty is still to the shop. I was with the shop way before it was a shop. That happens to you, just personal preference with them. See how they treat you. Don't go off of anybody's opinion. Have your own.
Why is it that you feel like the progressive system is just not it for you? You want that big shot right out of the gate.
I like being different. I want to be that attention as far as that. I don't want to do what everybody else did. When they said you can't do that with the car and the car won't do it, which is exactly why I want to do it. If you want to be safe with the nitrous and you want to be the progressive and the WinMax system that they have for our cars, that would be the ideal way to go for you. For the risk taker and the edge liver, wide open throttle. Wide open throttle.
It's a rush, right? We're getting all that power right out of the gate.
And honestly, it's one of the reasons why I've proven to the guys that have that, I am faster than them. Like I said, I have the time slips. This is a low to mid 10-second car all day. You want to argue? I got the slips.
There you go.
I got the slips.
Yep.
That's really it. I got the slips. So
these freak accidents can happen to anybody, you know, and that's part of the risk of modding, right?
Absolutely, it is.
No matter what you do to your car, I mean, when you push it to the limits, something might end up happening, right?
Part of the racing world.
You want to play it safe. Maybe modding is just not your cup of tea.
Buy the car and drive it. Lease the car, give it back.
Yep.
Do whatever you want to do it. Don't go this route. Don't do anything to it. Put your little K&N filter on there and think that it gives you the 30 horsepower.
And a little mid-muffler delete.
Mid-muffler delete that gives you all the power in the world, and put gas in it.
Yep.
That's it. Don't do anything else.
All right, so hopefully this helps some guys out there that are looking into nitrous. It's actually a really cool build. I'm gonna have it back up on the channel when he's ready, and you know, we'll get some drag racing footage. that thing launch? Holy crap.
at 97 and a 1372 at 107 for the pair.
Cammed, long tube headers, 100 shot, 150 shot, nitrous.
Raindrop,
Z01.
drop top, smoking up, cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Looking up, over the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, quick the trigger. All of the